Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Camera Deals is probably one of the most anticipated shopping events of the year for photography enthusiasts, and with Black Friday just around the corner, now is the perfect time to start planning your purchases. This video will cover the top camera deals available this Black Friday, helping you find the perfect camera to capture stunning photos and videos without breaking the bank, so you can upgrade your photography game without any compromise. Number 5. KODAK Mini Shot 3 Retro. It's a 2-in-1 device. Take photos and print them instantly, or even cancel prints after you've taken them. You can also print from your phone via Bluetooth. Printing is super affordable. It's even cheaper when you buy it in a bundle. Save money on every photo. It uses 4-pass technology for flawless prints in seconds. The prints are protected against water and fingerprints, and they'll last over 100 years. Print with or without borders. Add personal messages to bordered prints or maximize the image size with borderless prints. Download the KODAK app and print from anywhere, anytime. It has fun features like filters and frames to make your photos even better. What we like. This instant camera prints photos directly, or you can cancel them after taking. It's also compatible with your smartphone. If you love creating instant memories and want an affordable way to print, this is the perfect choice for you. It's great for parties, events, or just everyday moments. What people say. The 4-pass system produces stunning photographs, laminated, and ready to last a century. Prints great photos from your phone via Bluetooth, nice case and cool design. Photo print quality is very good, several fun options for filters and borders. Photos can be edited to get the print to look like you want it to saturation, sharpness, contrast, etc. Great picture quality via the phone app. Good, not great, picture quality via the built-in camera. Easy to use. Fun, interesting technology in a nice package. Number 4. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Get ready to experience the ultimate action camera. It's waterproof, versatile, and captures stunning 5.3K 60 video and 27 MP photos. It features a groundbreaking new image sensor. This delivers unbelievable image quality, no matter the conditions. Capture high-resolution photos and videos with incredibly smooth, high frame rates. You'll be amazed by the detail and clarity. It's perfect for capturing every moment in stunning detail. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape or an action-packed adventure, it's got you covered. Say goodbye to shaky footage. It boasts Emmy award-winning hyper-smooth stabilization, ensuring your videos are always smooth and professional looking. It automatically creates highlight reels of your adventures. Effortlessly share your experiences with the world. Go live and share your adventures in real time, or use it as a high-quality webcam for video calls. What we like. This action camera captures stunning 5.3K video and 27 MP photos with incredible stabilization. It also creates highlight reels automatically. If you're an adventurer or creator seeking top-tier image quality and effortless stabilization, this camera is for you. Perfect for capturing breathtaking action shots and vlogs. What people say. The ability to record at high resolution is great. The ability to configure for frame rate, resolution, image field, and multiple other customizations is almost dizzying with how many ways to adjust it. The picture quality is excellent, and it captured the entire hunt just as I had hoped. Using that setting, I am able to get about 75 minutes of uninterrupted recording time, and operating at this setting makes the video much less distorted at the expense of a narrower field of view. As a photographer, the GoPro has been amazing for filming behind-the-scenes content during my shoots. It's small and unobtrusive, so it doesn't get in the way, and the video quality is great for sharing online. The stabilization makes even handheld shots look smooth, and it's super easy to set up and use. A great addition to my kit. Number 3. AGPTEK Smartwatch. It features a stunning 360 by 360 pixel screen, ensuring you can easily see the time, date, and all your health data. Plus, you can customize the watch face with your own photos. Answer and make calls directly from your wrist, within 10 meters of your phone. It even displays the caller's name for your top 10 contacts. It monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep stages, and stress levels throughout the day. Remember, this data is for reference only. With over 100 built-in sports modes, you'll find the perfect one for your workout. It tracks your distance, heart rate, and calories burned. Stay connected with smart notifications from your favorite social media apps. Just remember to grant the app the necessary permissions. It's comfortable to wear, packed with useful features, and makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It's more than just a watch, it's a helpful companion. What we like. This smartwatch lets you make and answer calls from your wrist, tracks your health metrics, and offers 100+ sports modes. It's also highly customizable. If you need a versatile device for communication and fitness tracking, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who are always on the go and want to stay connected and healthy. What people say. I've had this about a week. All the features I was looking for, read text message, receive calls, make calls, work great. There is also a lot of health tracking functions. I like the round dial as well. It's lightweight, stylish, and sleek. It tells date and time, tracks my steps, sleep, heart rate and more. It's an activity tracker, not a phone on your wrist. If you're looking for a simplified smartwatch, this is definitely it. Works incredibly well and is sharp looking. I am impressed with the outstanding quality and battery life. Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX G85. Experience the future of photography with the Panasonic LUMIX G85. Its sleek design and powerful features make it the perfect camera for any photographer. It boasts a 16-megapixel sensor, delivering incredibly detailed images. Enjoy a significant boost in fine detail resolution compared to similar cameras. This mirrorless camera is lightweight and fast, offering the modern hybrid photography performance you need. It's significantly more compact than most DSLRs. Capture stunning photos and videos with its 5-axis dual image stabilization. It ensures clear handheld shots, even in low-light conditions. Compose your shots with the integrated OLED live viewfinder and the 3-inch tilting LCD touchscreen. Adjust the screen for optimal viewing angles. Record breathtaking 4K video at 3840 by 2160 resolution. It also features LUMIX 4K photo and 4K post-focus for added creative control. What we like. This mirrorless camera shoots stunning 4K video and 16MP photos with impressive dual image stabilization. It also has a versatile tilting LCD screen. If you're a serious photographer or videographer looking for high-quality images and smooth footage, this is a top contender. It's ideal for capturing detailed images and videos in various conditions. What people say. Stills quality is very nice and sharp, even from the 12 to 60mm kit lens. Image quality and bokeh are stunning when paired with the 25mm f1.7. The dual IS is really good for stills and even more amazing in video. The detail is amazing. But, the real shocker is the image stabilization. When paired dual IS and E-stabilization turned on, the video is practically gliding, especially at wider angles, 12mm. I am not joking. Walking with the camera is buttery smooth, no jittery videos. Handling is much better with a larger size handle for holding and taking pictures. Still light and better than DSLRs for everyday picture taking. This is the next generation of Micro Four Threes. Number 1. Hiseeu Wireless Security Camera. It features a powerful 30x optical zoom, so you can easily see details from afar. Plus, with its full-color night vision, you'll get clear images even in low light, up to 250 feet away. This camera intelligently detects people and sends instant alerts to your phone. When motion is detected, it triggers a bright floodlight and a loud alarm for extra security. It rotates 360 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, eliminating blind spots. Its IP66 rating means it can withstand harsh weather conditions, from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. With a built-in microphone and speaker, you can talk and listen through your phone. Access it remotely anytime, anywhere using the eCloud app. It works independently or integrates seamlessly with other Hiseeu wireless cameras for a comprehensive security system. Expand your security coverage easily. What we like. What people say. I own 3 of these cameras and they work flawlessly. I use them to monitor wildlife over 3-4 miles away. They also take great night shots. The picture of the buck at night is over 400 yards away. The camera produces a good clear image, but do not expect 4K clarity from a 3MP camera. While this is still a 2K camera, the optical zoom is real. It does not pixelize and distort like the electronic zooms. Very powerful IR projector. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.